Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Profile Plus. This is Padma. Do like, share and subscribe my channel to know more about communication and personality development. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's get into the topic today. My topic today is overthinking. Please avoid overthinking. Okay, see, first of all, before I get into the topic, I want all my viewers to understand what is overthinking. Okay, see, and what are the dangerous effects which it just creates in you. Okay, this is really important in this pandemic situation because many are suffering from this overthinking, friends. Okay, so thinking is a beautiful process where a human has. See, we think about literature, we think about a lot of things related to your education or related to any day-to-day activity. Thinking is a beautiful process, and it is something, kind of a phenomenal process which happens to many different people in order to invent and create some new things. So thinking is something really beautiful and really good. But what happens when you just think about the same situation and again? When you cannot control your mind. So what happens when you cannot control your mind? When you cannot control your mind keeps thinking about the same thing again and again. Okay, it creates a fear in you. So this kind of a thing, this kind of process is called overthinking. So let's just discuss the 4 dangerous effects what a mind creates when you are overthinking on something. The first effect is anxiety. See, anxiety is nothing but many would have known this. In fact, I have discussed in my previous videos about anxiety. See, anxiety is nothing but worrying about your future. Especially many females do this, okay? So because they are naturally a multitaskers, they are naturally having a talent that they can do multitasking at a time. But that also goes wrong sometimes. They overthink and they keep worrying about their future plans. So this creates a lot of anxiety. So they sit and literally worry about what if. What if this goes wrong, and what if this happens to my child, and what if this collapses my family, or what if I just go down with my business or my career life. So they just keep thinking a lot of failure moments. So this creates an anxiety in them. Anxiety is a foremost symptom of overthinking. Okay, and that creates the second point, depression. What happens when a female or a male becomes more anxious in their life? That creates a lot of depression in them. Okay, so they just keep thinking about a same situation or the past experience. Mainly depression causes because there are many people who cannot come out of their past. Depression mostly happens because you overthink about your past. I hope you all can understand. See, when something happened in your life, it is already a past one. Life is something like what you can learn and what you can experience in day-to-day life. Please understand, friends, maybe it will look like it's so easy to advise Padma, but normally it's really hard if you face it. Yes, I do agree. Everyone have faced a lot of hurdles in our lives, which is something unavoidable. But what do you do by thinking the same thing again and again? What happens to your body and mind today by thinking about the past? It just creates an unnecessary depression. It just spoils your future and your present as well. Okay, so depression is another big effect because of overthinking. First you become anxious, then you literally go down to depression, and you could have seen many people have this suicide thoughts because of this depression. Okay, so what if you create a lot of anxiety and depression in your body? What it leads to is insomnia. Insomnia is it's kind of a disease, you call it psychologically, but insomnia is nothing but sleepless nights. There are many people who says, yeah, I just went to bed around 8. Well, I just went to bed very early last night. Still, I woke up very late, but still I am so tired. Still, I really don't know why I am so tired. I was in bed for more than 10 to 11 hours, but I don't feel that I have taken enough rest. And my mind was completely open. Only my body was, taking rest, I feel. So this is the most common feeling. Whenever we are into a hard times, when we face hard times in our life, when we are into a very hard phase, so that time normally we skip our sleep, isn't it? So we'll just keep thinking about what happened, or maybe we might have lost somebody in our life, or we might have faced a failure in our business, or a downfall, or especially this corona covid situations may create some kind of a depression in you. So what happens is, you will just have this kind of a sleepless nights. The most important symptoms of insomnia is you suddenly wake up at 4 o'clock by morning and you may not be able to go back to sleep. This is the very big symptoms that you are suffering from insomnia. Remember friends, even if you just sleep for 4 or 5 years, peaceful sleep is very, very necessary for your body. If you're not taking a proper sleep, then that creates a lot of other problems and diseases in your body. Insomnia is very dangerous. My last effect here, paralysis. See, when you just paralyzes your thoughts, what happens is you will never be able to take a move forward. Example, you may have a lot of ideas to implement in future. Maybe I just wanted to open a YouTube channel, or I want to just promote my business like this, or probably I will just take one more employee for marketing. So there are many different processes I may have in order to improve my business, in order to take my business to the next level. But what happens, because of anxiety and because of depression and because of the sleepless nights, all the effects of overthinking comes and paralyzes you, that which stops you making any further steps in your life. You will never be able to do it because you are completely fearful. You just fear for your failures. You are frightened. You are unable to take it forward because you keep thinking negative. Okay, so your mind says, no, never do this. Probably you may just face a failure, or never go for a YouTube channel. You may just have hatred. Okay, so this is how the mind works. When your mind is completely corrupted, friends, remember, you cannot do anything fruitful in your life. And these kind of an effects by overthinking, example, you are a person who are already facing all of this, probably meditation can help you. Okay, there are certain things which we can do it regularly and get out of overthinking. First and foremost, always I tell you, give a physical exercise. So just make your body sweat a lot. Okay, do proper exercise, and meditation can definitely help you to get a proper sleep. Okay, do meditations and do proper exercises and healthy food habits. That's again very important, friends. Okay, so you must possess a very healthy food habits. You must just say, yeah, I eat very healthy. Okay, so when you exercise, when you sleep properly, normally all these overthinking problems, you can just get rid of it. These are very common things which you can easily do it. And also reading habits. I keep insisting all my viewers, please develop a reading habit. Reading can take you away from lot of your past overthinking thoughts. Okay, say any past experience or hurdles or any problems you might have faced in your life, but any kind of a deep reading habits can take you slowly away from all those past things. Okay, so these are all my tips today. I hope it would really create an awareness in you. Please friends, if you are suffering from these kind of a problems, take it to your thought and sit and just avoid doing it, in order to just create a better ambience or better environment inside and outside your family. Enrich, empower and emerge with English.